All right, y'all are
it.
hot. We are not.
Yeah,
Let's talk weather.
So not just for heat, for flavor.
Well, speaking of heat, guys, we have some heat on the way for later in the weekend. It's going to be a little warm by Sunday and Monday. Matter of fact, we're forecasting highs in the 80s. Cloudy skies and a little drizzle and fog out there on this Wednesday morning. Temperature-wise, we're sitting at 55 degrees. Winds are light and humidity is up, but you can see some of those flashing lights. This is, I believe, at Morgan's Wonderland Camp. But anyway, yeah, cloudy skies and a little drizzle and reduced visibility. We'll show you the map in a second. Metro temperatures 50 at Bernie, 55 at Calaveras Lake, 54 at Hondo. A lot of 50s on the map this morning. Remember, the average low this time of year during the winter is like in the mid 40s, so we're warmer than average. This is more of a humid cold versus a dry cold, because there's so much moisture in the air, which is why it's condensing out to fog. Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory for the entire area until 10 a.m. this morning. Plan ahead, leave early this morning because you'll contend with a lot of fog. It's been going back and forth. We had a very dense pocket over Castroville over the 5:30 and 6 a.m. hour. Now it's improving slightly, but notice everywhere you go, half-mile, quarter-mile visibility between I-35, I-10, I-37, Highway 90, you name it, it is everywhere. As a matter of fact, you zoom out, and anywhere from Gonzales to Uvalde, that's where it's very dense. So this entire area, this stretch from Gonzales to Guadalupe County towards Medina and Bandera County, very hazardous driving. Leave a little extra early this morning. For your Wednesday timeline, cloudy, overcast all day long. We will see on and off drizzle, probably some fog through at least the lunch hour. We may see that fog advisory extend through at least maybe 12 or 1. We'll see if that happens, but otherwise cloudy and drizzly all day long. By late tonight, tomorrow morning, there will be an opportunity at seeing more heavier rain. Also, the potential at a couple of storms in the area. Not going to be widespread, but anywhere towards Austin, that's where it could get very severe, where they may produce some isolated hail. But we have a chance at seeing a couple of isolated cells in our area by 4, 5, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Let me show you what that looks like. By this afternoon, 4 o'clock, upper 60s, very warm today under cloudy to overcast conditions. You can see on and off rain all day, kind of going to be an ugly day all day. By later tonight, tomorrow morning, more rain fills in on the radar. And then notice out near Gillespie County, a line of broken showers and thunderstorms moves into the area. Some heavy pockets of rain between 5 a.m. and 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Again, some of which could go severe. And then skies clear by tomorrow afternoon, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. How much rain? It's not going to be flooding rains, but notice anywhere between here, Austin, Kerrville, there will be a couple of localized pockets that could see up to about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, but on average, maybe 1/4 to 1/2 inch in the entire area. So pretty good rain, especially with the drought in place. All right, here's your 14-day forecast. Today, 67, 74 tomorrow. We have weather impact alerts for today and tomorrow morning for the rain, the low visibility, and the potential at a couple of heavy downpours. Look at this weekend. Clears out, beautiful, highs in the 70s, near 80 on Sunday, 80 on Monday. That's hot for this time of year for at least winter standards. And by Tuesday, Wednesday, a little cooler. But right now, Sarah, yeah, a little foggy, low visibility. Leave a little extra early.
Yeah, some good advice there. But 80? Wow.
It's a little warm.